Yeah, it's me again. Early Saturday morning. Kind of bright out. I've been up since 4:30, 5 o'clock preparing. It's not that cold out, but I ain't trying to get sick in and out. So, we got here, flame going. We got the jerk chicken. Now, how I do it, as you remember, it's been marinating for a couple of days, right? Marinating. So, what I do is take it out, put it in some trays, put it in the oven, let it sit for like about an hour in the oven, 450, 500. Let them get broken down, cook. So when I do that, I don't have to be out here all day in the cold doing this. You understand what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is put the first batch on. You see me put the first batch on. When I'm done, I don't know, I might have taste for people. I don't know. I'm just saying. Hit me up after. I'll let you know how you could get some of this chicken. Alright? Hit me up after. But let's do this. So I'm just gonna grab onesies and twosies. If you realize it's the same bucket. After I finish, took it out the oven, I put it right back in the juices because yeah, you want it to get that nice flavor. You know what I mean? Put it right back. But it's all about the seasoning and getting that smoke taste. As you can see, my smoke wood is in there, some hickory wood. You know what I mean? Let it sit. Yep. We do this now. Get that final cook. Get that nice hickory smoke taste to it. You know what I mean? I didn't want to use the big grill. It's not like it's an all-day thing, and I'm not really doing a lot, so I opted for the small one. Big one is over here, but that one is resting for the winter. They call it's hibernating like a bear. So I'm gonna get this chicken on there. Don't worry about packing it in. Get them on there. Get them nice neat on there. So probably won't make another video with this one. I just put up like pictures and stuff of finished products. Alright, again, this is Gerry the chef in my yard, finishing up the jerk chicken that I started Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday I seasoned it up, had it marinated. I'm jerking it right now. Hey man, again, find me on YouTube, Gerry the chef. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Every time I put a video up, you get an update. You get all that good stuff. Hey, do it. See y'all. Thanks.